I chose to pursue an MSBA because I think it just opens up so many avenues. The emphasis on really intersecting the business and the analytics, it just makes us so much more attractive to employers.
In a company, there's the business side, there's the data side, and then there's the coding side. And the business analytics program, it's all about combining those three.
Core technical concepts include programming languages, specifically SQL, R, and Python. Working with big data, so using cloud computing services like Amazon Web Services. And then kind of the broader art of predictive modeling so that you can make accurate predictions.
I think the most exciting thing in this program that I am looking forward to is the capstone project, where we work directly with a business such as FedEx, Truist, and some other big companies here in Atlanta. And I think that just really allows us to fully dive in with a true problem that these companies are facing and they want our help. And that's where we just get to utilize everything that we have learned.
One of the big differentiators for Goizueta's MSBA program is it's modeled specifically to give us the exact set of statistical, computer science, and business skills that we need to enter the job market. So every class we take, every model we learn, it's what you're seeing on job descriptions online.
All of our professors really emphasize not focusing on grades too much and looking at it as an experience and really gaining and learning the skills you need for your career. And I like that, and I think that is high quality education where it's about the learning and it's about the learning experience and what do our students get out of this.